you, just deeper and deeper, to where I would freeze my ass off. Here, just go deep. Not deeper. If I go any further, I would get soaked. That's what water does. I wish there was more ice.
Okay, let's try and jump. No. What are those boards?
I'm trapped. Show them how deep the water is over there.
It's like a lake.
Alright.
Do go all spy and try and climb across. Oh, I just got water on my hand. A big drop.
Are you insane, Megan? I have one in my pocket.
Oh yeah. Well, I have more technology, so in my pocket. So you go.
Need a stick, so we can show them how far down.
Break one over there.
Okay. Did you break it?
Oh, I'm kind of holding a camera.
I'll hold the camera.
No, back off my camera. Just break a small one like that. Well, then break it! This is Kayla's sad attempt at breaking a branch.
Did you break it?
No! Just break that over there. Or that. Step on it. It's not that hard, Kayla. You go like this and step on it and break it. Break one up off the ground, retardo. Because apparently you can't break trees. It's not that hard. Well, maybe
show them how deep this really is.
See the stick? Yeah. Holy crap!
The bottom.
You can't even touch the bottom?
No, I can't.
You need to find a bigger stick.
There's one right there.
Oh, I see that.
How the hell are we gonna get there? No, I'm not climbing across.
Please?
No.
It'll entertain our viewers.
Okay.
Oh yeah, and we got a new subscription. No, Kayla, seriously, don't do that. I'm just joking.
No, I'd fall in, definitely. There is no doubt about it.
It says moisture over there. Moisture windows.
Moisture.
Hi, car! People are watching us. People are watching us. I can see them. I feel it. Let's wave at this person. Hi! Hey! Oh, she didn't look! What the heck? Hi! Hey! What the hell? Anyways, I guess we can continue on our journey.
Yeah.
Alright. Bye-bye, viewers.